Payment Insights, July 2026, ISO20022, countdown, EOT minus 4 months to November 2026, standards release, back to the data, when valid not equal to frictionless. As the November 2026 milestone approaches, including the removal of fully unstructured postal addresses, testing is expanding beyond ISO 20022 usage guidelines and technical validation to focus on how payments behave in real-world conditions across production-like volumes, data quality, and end-to-end processing chains. Early insights are clear: compliance at a technical level does not always translate into successful execution. This highlights the need for broader, more representative testing using production-like data and realistic scenarios. Successful execution now depends on aligning real-world data, testing practices, and operational behavior across the payment chain. Where things stand today, testing often focuses on message structure and guideline compliance, and may not fully reflect live payment volumes and real scenarios. Town name and country code are becoming mandatory for cross-border payments, but are not consistently captured in existing data. Data may be mapped into ISO elements, but mapping alone does not ensure frictionless results. Payments initiated via unattended channels, for example file transfer, often include large volumes of unvalidated or inconsistent data. Why this matters? A payment can be technically valid, yet fail if mandatory elements, e.g. town name, country, are missing or unusable. Meeting format rules but does not ensure meaningful or processable data. Placeholders, e.g. not provided, and other data gaps may pass validation, but can lead to requests for information, delays, rejects/returns, or repairs. Without testing against real volumes and client data, these issues may only surface late in the migration timeline. What good looks like in practice? Test beyond ISO 20022 usage guidelines. Include existing payment volumes and interbank scenarios. Assess business-level data quality to ensure structured elements are meaningful and usable, not just populated. Use testing as an opportunity to engage clients and provide visibility on how the payments perform against expected outcomes. Mapping minute number 4. Valid not equal to usable. A payment may pass ISO 20022 validation, yet still fail downstream. Placeholders such as not provided are already being used to meet mandatory requirements, but can trigger RFIs, delays, or rejects. Meeting mandatory fields gets a payment through validation. Meaningful data enables frictionless processing client data and unattended channels. Payments from file-based channels, for example ERP/TMS uploads, provide a realistic view of data quality. Testing these flows helps identify payments at risk of rejection or repair, and recurring data gaps, for example creditor address. This enables targeted remediation and earlier client engagement on high-impact issues. Outcome: greater transparency and more time for clients to adjust data ahead of November 2026. Guidance and mentorship for international banking payments. Beginners and expert. International banking payments trainer for SWIFT, SEPA, CBPR+, ISO 20022, ISO migration, HVPS+, payments 35 days, self-study session designed. Trainer having 18+ experience in SWIFT, CBPR+ payments. Self-learning 155 video designed, each video having interview Q/A session as well. Total length of all SWIFT video 5,955 minutes, 101 hours. Size of all SWIFT video 14.15 gigabytes. Supporting study material documents 113. More information at WA+918 237 151992 or bankingpayments@gmail.com.